I'm so glad to meet again Stefano Concari, CEO of the Italian company Tropical Food Machinery at ANUGA FOODTEC. Stefano, so happy to meet again at ANUGA FOODTEC, finally in person.
My pleasure, Sonia.
Which is the main machine, the main new that you are exhibiting at ANUGA FOODTEC?
Well, we are exposing in this exhibition our new technology for banana processing. The core machine is in our back, that is an automatic peeling in controlled environment. That's really an innovation and is something that is totally new in the world of banana processing, because till now there were no machine that could meet the requirement of quality that this product has, because it's mainly used for baby food, so the standards are at the top in terms of quality.
So you have developed this machine in the last 2 years?
Well, really, the path is much longer than that. And that's the third prototype that was designed after 2 previous machines that have been hardly tested on industrial scale based. So that's the final goal of a long research.
The machine is real and new and also great success.
Yes, this is something that our customer could already saw working in our test area in Busseto, and they were impressed by the development of this machine.
Yes, Stefano, but confess, I know that machine has won an award.
Yes, well, we applied for this machine as innovation in ANUGA FOODTEC, and well, that was appreciated, and we won the silver medal for innovation. Yeah.
So it's another made in Italy success.
Well, yes, and we hope that it's just the beginning, because something that we believe could really improve and change the technology in banana processing. So we hope this will be a must for all big companies who want to process this product.
So I know that you have to go to bring your award, but before I want to thank you, and so happy to meet you again. Thank you so much.
My pleasure, Sonia.